Some are referring to Tesla's complete self-driving capability as a turning point for FSD. It is among the most contentious aspects of Elon Musk's Tesla business plan. Imagine being able to just tell the automobile where you want to go, and it would transport you there. Love it so much. It's super cool, like this is game-changing. Hate it. Something will be done by fully autonomous driving, and it was fortunate. Make use of it. And not a huge fan of FSD, but this is cool, or be afraid of it. This is a tough situation. This isn't what you might expect, which is to alleviate the tension associated with driving. Millions of American drivers are currently able to test it out for free, and it has the potential to change the landscape of the race towards fully autonomous driving. Tesla is responsible for the tectonic upheaval that is subtly taking place in the automotive industry amid the clamor of headlines and diversions of everyday living. We're dissecting a revelation today that is so significant that it's amazing it went unnoticed. Although it's a big assertion, it's supported by a well-thought-out plan that is completely changing the industry. Therefore, take a seat and prepare to be astounded as we examine the revolutionary advancements that have solidified Tesla's status as the unchallenged leader in automotive innovation. You won't want to miss this story. However, before we go any further, please remember to help us by liking this video and becoming a subscriber to Tesla Stock News *. Let's begin this video now that we have that resolved. You may think it's a stretch, but after listening to Tesla's Q1 2024 earnings call, it appears that the company just revealed something shocking to the auto industry. It's going to get genuine, not just chatter. Elon Musk and the Tesla team essentially presented their plan to render other automakers obsolete on the call. Let's start with their quarterly update deck before getting into the specifics. Examine these graphs, paying particular attention to the one about AI software and technology. Tesla's AI training capability, expressed in H100 equivalent GPUs, is displayed in the bottom graph. It was climbing slowly in 2022 and 2023, but they really stepped it up in September 2023. By Q1 2024, they had increased from about 5,000 H100s to roughly 35,000, with an end-of-year target of 85,000. In other words, they are preparing for a significant increase in processing power. Let's move on to the top graph, which uses FSD beta to measure cumulative miles driven. Up until 2021, it was a leisurely crawl, but after that, it took off. They reached almost 100 million kilometers by March 2023. By March of 2024, they were approaching 880 million. Then, all of a sudden, they made fully autonomous driving under supervision free for a month. Data collection skyrocketed, collecting around 200 million kilometers in that short time. It's a data gold rush when you contrast that with the 2 years it took them to reach their first 200 million kilometers. Did we also mention that Tesla reduced the cost of fully autonomous driving to $8,888 for a purchase or $99 per month for a subscription? They are increasing their processing power and making it available to everyone. People, it's a game changer. Additionally, Elon Musk announced that Tesla is no longer constrained by computational constraints. Musk revealed this week that a free month-long trial of the function will be available for all Tesla vehicles that can drive themselves. As you can see, their training computing capacity has just increased dramatically, and they are attempting to make this available to as many individuals as possible at the same time. According to Elon Musk, they are no longer limited by computation. Their quarterly update deck provides additional proof of a strategic change in their lineup of vehicles. They used both current and next-generation platforms to expedite the release of new models, including more reasonably priced options. These cars may be produced on current production lines, which may result in lower costs, but should boost vehicle volume more efficiently. Production is expected to rise by more than 50% over 2023 levels. They are sticking to an unorthodox production method with their groundbreaking robotaxi project. Using existing lines, they hope to launch the $25,000 vehicle by late 2024 or early 2025, which is earlier than anticipated. Without the need for new building or plant extensions, This change could possibly handle between 1.2 and 1.4 million additional vehicles, guaranteeing a quick and economical expansion. Elon Musk noted on the earnings call that other vendors will take a long time to implement Tesla's fully autonomous technology. Even if an agreement were reached today, it would probably not be implemented until 2027. Notably, with significant rewrites and design improvements, software versions 12.4 and 12.55 are set to revolutionize the industry. Given their enormous advances, Musk suggested that they could be termed versions 13 and 14, maybe demonstrating complete self-driving safety that doubles that of human drivers. Additionally, after approving other autonomous vehicle operators like Cruise, authorities are preparing to approve the use of robo-taxis in locations like San Francisco and potentially LA. Let's now make the connections. Tesla is increasing its processing power and gathering enormous volumes of data related to fully autonomous driving. The $25,000 automobile is being accelerated by a full year and is expected to go on sale shortly. What does Elon Musk think? Even if other automakers signed an agreement tomorrow, it would take them a good 3 years to catch up. What's the matter then? Imagine this. With possible tax credits in effect, that $25,000 automobile might be a game changer by early 2025. With an effective cost of between $20,000 and $22,000, it is less expensive than the typical Toyota Corolla. And when prices go down, more people can afford it, Thanks to tax benefits, there has been a significant drop in income from $35,000 to $40,000 to the low $20,000 area. However, the voyage of Tesla doesn't end there. It's much more fascinating because every day is a new discovery with ups and downs. For this reason, Tesla continues to attract more and more investors. However, are you aware of anyone else who is as optimistic about Tesla? That would be Seeking Alpha today's sponsor. It's not enough to merely watch Tesla's remarkable rise from the sidelines. Seeking Alpha is your one-stop shop for Tesla bulls and those with an eye for finding the next big thing in the stock market. It provides the most recent information on Elon Musk, Tesla innovation, and stock price targets. Avoid the mainstream media's anti-Tesla clamor. The greatest online source of pro-Tesla news is Seeking Alpha. Our channel may receive a commission if a customer makes a purchase after clicking on the affiliate links in the description. I appreciate your help. There's more, though. Elon is giving you clues about how to make your car a source of income. Yes, you heard correctly. He might just break even or even turn a profit, with Tesla's fleet of robot taxis and other prospects for your vehicle to contribute its processing power. These babies could actually cover their own expenses, unlike conventional cars that lose value over time. Not to mention the safety component. These vehicles are statistically safer to drive than the typical Joe because to Tesla's autonomous software. They will therefore provide you with peace of mind while driving in addition to being reasonably priced. Tesla's electric cars are poised to upend the market, while conventional automakers are hedging their bets on hybrids. With unmatched quality and an exceptional pricing, these future Teslas will be less expensive than anything else available on the market. These cars charge for a fraction of what you would pay at the gas station, so forget about expensive fuel-ups. Additionally, you might even be able to make money by employing their processing power or ride-sharing services. The worst part is that Tesla is already years ahead of the competition, while traditional automakers are finding it difficult to catch up. According to Elon Musk, it will take them a good 3 years to even approach. Tesla will therefore rule the market from 2025 to 2027 or 2028. Comparing a sleek Tesla to a cumbersome horse and carriage is like that. Tesla is going to make every sale it can during this time. The fascinating part, though, is that demand for cars will decline as more people realize they can rely on one self-driving car rather than two. One car can do everything, from grocery shopping to school runs, so why have 2 cars sitting around doing nothing? Come on in the cybercab. Just a few thousand of them could service the whole population in the large cities where Tesla intends to deploy them. Car ownership may eventually become obsolete for city inhabitants. It's also obvious because cybercabs is less expensive than Uber. People may join the Tesla Uber revolution and cut down from 2 automobiles to 1, even in smaller towns like Athens. Do you need a ride? Simply call a Tesla from the fleet that is close by. It's revolutionary.